Hey YouTube, Point Shooter here. Today I'm doing a video in the rain showing you my do-it-yourself, no time, no money invested, quickie rain catch. This is a full-size outdoor trash can. I believe this is a 96-gallon one. And in about 2 hours of collecting rain from runoff from the house, the gutter is overflowed and is plugged, so we've got to get up there and clear it. But in the meantime, I thought, look at all that water pouring down, and it's already filled this trash can more than 3/4 of the way. You can see there's some debris floating in it, so this would be good water for flushing toilets. You could boil this, you could use it for sanitation purposes. I wouldn't just drink it straight out because it was in a trash can, but I decided to set this up so that you guys could see just how effectively, over a prolonged rainfall, you can collect literally dozens of gallons of water. Full, this would weigh, hundreds of pounds. I can't move this. So obviously we're going to have to use the water from here, but what you can have right next to it is little buckets. You need to bring some water in the house, scoop it up, and in you go. So this is definitely something that you could do if you lived in a house, even if you don't have a lot of property. If you have a gutter system, like you see here, chances are when it rains real heavy, it's going to overflow. So this is just something to think about. Okay guys, this is just my quick little do-it-yourself rain catch. I have filtered water out of this today with my MSR water filter. I had my mini works going and added iodine to the water just to kill anything that would be in it. I practice with iodine at home, and I highly recommend if you are collecting found water that you practice using with iodine or chlorine bleach ahead of time. Get used to the taste now, so that when you come to rely on it later, it's not something that you're going to object to. And also, if you're using iodine, you can add vitamin C, like Kool-Aid powder or something like that, and it'll neutralize the iodine taste after you've let it sit for the contact time, which in the US is going to be 30 minutes. So you would add 5 drops of 2% tincture of iodine per quart or liter. Obviously, you multiply that by 4 if you're doing a full gallon. And then if you use betadine, like I do, which is povidone iodine, you use 10 drops per quart and let it sit for half an hour. If you're using sodium hypochlorite, chlorine bleach, you're generally going to do 4 to 6 drops per quart or liter of water. Let it sit for 30 minutes, then smell the water to see if you have the bleach smell. If you have the bleach smell, you're good to go. If you don't, add more bleach and let it sit. So that's just my basics on water disinfection and water collection, and something like this could supply you with water for weeks if you rationed it well. And it has a lid, which means that you can use this to keep the water. You could tape the seal around it, and you could keep this from evaporating. So just a quick video. Water, free water from the sky. It doesn't get any better than that. Take care guys, this is Point Shooter signing out.